Yes, sir, man. We out here, San Diego. Got it lit. Got all the bikes, man. All the homies out here, man. Shout out to everybody that pulled up. It is lit, showing love. Appreciate the support, man. We got so much going on, so I'm gonna try to keep y'all in the loop as best as I can. But y'all see what's going on, big dog. Got 30 inches on wheels and all that, big dog. So I'm digging it. They pulled up so sick. That shit is crazy. What's up, man? How you doing? Hey, nice to meet you, man. Good looking out. Ooh, y'all see the 30-inch on that joint, dog? Damn, they riding big. God damn. That shit huge. What's that, a 30? That's 30? That shit look good. 30-inch. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. Let's see. We gonna get some clutch poppers or what? Clutch pop. going up. Damn, trying to, man. Trying to. Oh, shit, what's up, nigga? Tell it. Y'all see the blue on that motherfucking wheel though? That shit clean. That shit hard. They got this thing jumping in this joint. Sliding on up out of here though. That's crazy. Man, we just gonna walk around and peep the bikes. There's a lot going on. So I'm gonna just try to find the best ones that I like, and we gonna go from there. Because it is a lot of bikes here. But this one is pretty cool. I like this Nightmare on Elm Street. Okay. I like it. I like it. I like it. I could dig it, man. I could definitely dig it. It's nice. Okay. We got the joints. This one pretty cool. I like that one. Nice. Joint, big 30s on that joint. Sheesh, got the 30-inch on that joint. Look at this. Dragon. I can dig it. Got the little seat on the shindig. Excuse me. Hey, I can dig it. Excuse me. Oh yeah, I like this fading one right here. This is the CVO. This fade on this thing is so cold. Sheesh. I think I want to do my next bike something like that, like a nice fade. Nice fade. With a little spoiler on that joint. I can dig it. This is a nice color right here too, this blue and white. We just gonna go down here first and knock it out the way. Excuse me. Knock it out of the way. Feel me? I thought I seen something.
To your left.
Okay, y'all see what's going on. Trying to find, okay, I like this one. I kind of like this one. This purple and silver one look kind of nice. Purple and silver look kind of nice. Blue with the little flizzags. And dig it. See what's going on. Okay. I can dig it. It's a lot going on, man. So y'all gotta bear with your boy. Definitely is a lot going on. Y'all got the little Road Glide specials. Join it up. I love this color scheme. Got them back to back. Y'all see what's going on. This one's so freaking cold. Yup. Patched up. This color on this one is nice. I can dig that one. That one clean. Gray on this. Woo. I like that color scheme. Y'all see how the gray go to the black? That thing look clean. That's a nice bike. I like that joint. Handlebars and everything painted the same color. I can dig it. That joint clean too. Got that blue. It's like matted up. There's a lot going on, man. There's a lot going on. That boy got that rim on that joint. Dig it. Hey.
All right, brother.
Got tons of bikes. Oh yeah, what's up, man? How you doing? Nice to meet you. I appreciate the support, man. Good looking out. All right. Yup. Okay. Got the Road Glide. I could dig it. Okay, they got the Chrome Enforcer. That joint clean. I like them chrome legs on that joint, dog. It's so much going on, like I said, man. So much going on. They riding out. Got that joint. Got the homie out here. Look at this red bike, though. Oh, my God. This burgundy bike is nice. I like that burgundy bike. It look good. Definitely look good. Got some more joints out here. Y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what's going on, man? Like I said, y'all, it's a lot going on. Look at this one. That's a dope mural right there. That's really dope. It's the other variation of that special. Digging that one. Y'all gotta see this one though. Yeah, this joint killing. That shit killing. Y'all see the gold reels on that joint, dog. I like that color scheme for sure. Yeah, it look good. Look good. Oh, he said he digital dash and shit, man. Nah, this shit look good as fuck though. On me. I can dig it, man. Let's see. Okay. You know, that shit clean, man. For sure. That motherfucker banging. That shit sound good. Niggas out here, though. The fuck? See what the fuck going on here? Yes, sir. We out here, man. It's time to go.